CRMD is showing a decent amount of weakness within a longer term bullish trend, down 10.67%. This is Wednesday, the 7th of August. The stock is equally trending following a stronger Q2 report, an announcement of a strategic acquisition of Melinta Therapeutics. So, earnings overview revenue came in at $39.7 million, beating analyst expectations. Okay, and let's see what we have. Increase in operating expenses, particularly general and administration. Earnings per share beat as well. Uh, there was also a surge fueled by stronger than anticipated sales of DefenCath, the company's lead commercial product. Okay, so DefenCath sales key revenue driver. So the company's that product is the company's antimicrobial catheter lock solution continues to gain market traction, and management highlighted significant growth in sales this quarter or in that quarter. Yeah, underscoring successful commercial execution and increasing demand within infection prevention settings. So the Melinta acquisition, the company is intent on completing the acquisition of Melinta by the 1st of September 2025, so in a couple of weeks. The acquisition signals a shift toward a more diversified anti-infectives portfolio, possibly positioning the company as a stronger player in the infectious disease market. Okay, let's see. Uh, Investor reactions, supportive voices point to strategic alignment, expanded product offerings, and long-term value creation. Skeptical investors are concerned about potential equity dilution here or added debt to finance the acquisition. Integration challenges, especially in light of rising costs and limited cash runway. Uncertainty about Melinta's existing product performance and liabilities. Okay, outlook on financial health. Sufficient capital to fund operations for at least the next 12 months. Um, okay, financial impact of Melinta has not been clearly spelled out. Investors are looking for updates on signages from the acquisition, updated full year sales forecast, strategic vision post acquisition. So, community bonds, increased volume and volatility as retail institutional investors weigh the risk. Yeah, that's the draw. The stock is drawing increased volume and volatility. Some view the current dip as a buying opportunity. Others remain cautious, watching closely for post-merger integration updates and any potential capital raises. So bottom line, the company's solid Q2 performance confirms commercial progress, particularly with DefenCath. However, the looming Melinta acquisition introduces both opportunity and risk. Execution in the coming quarters, both in integrating Melinta and sustaining revenue growth, will likely determine whether this bold move pays off or proves a costly distraction. Okay, so lower prices are expected to ultimately remain in place up till Thursday, the 28th of August, with an attempt to buck the downtrend from the Thursday, the 21st, till Monday, the 25th. No guarantee that these extrapolations will pan out like this. And then by Friday, the 29th, a bounce is expected to occur. A V recovery is expected to occur, but once again, there's no guarantee that that will be the case. Upper projection 15.63. That's almost close to 50% premium to the current levels. Before now, as of yesterday, there was 16.25, 18.37, 19.68. Um, yeah, okay, let's see what the price pressure momentum is indicating. Yeah, selling pressure. Okay. Based on what we have here on this daily chart, it's a mix of things. We only have one positive derivative. Okay, it's either the selling pressure. Because this is a daily chart, it starts to record when the market opens, and this decline, I believe, happened started to occur in the in the pre-market session. So this hasn't had time to record everything, So what I can clearly see is that selling pressure may have somewhat abated, just given the fact that there's just one positive derivative here, but the the extent it has gone is not sufficiently clear, but we can find out from the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Okay, we'll begin with the selling pressure here. I can see clearly amplified. Okay, not clearly amplified, or clearly amplified, but well, what I wasn't sure, but now I'm sure. The selling pressure has absolutely, yes, it has abated. We have four positive derivatives, even though we have a severely bearish, price pressure momentum. I mean severely bearish 10-period moving average on this 4-hour chart. So yes, clearly bearish. Obviously, it has been knocked down, so it will remain bearish. But the derivatives are indicating that the hammer has been raised, but buyers have not gushed in yet. The buyers are not in yet. So the moving average has been knocked down flat, but buyers have not lifted the face of the moving average. They've not lifted the face. They've not lifted the price. They're still probably calculating things. So lower prices are still expected to keep printing up till the close of today's session. So it's going to consolidate with a bias to the downside, at least up till Thursday the 14th, and then after that maybe, yeah, well, all in all, it's just a consolidation with a bias to the downside. Projections are saying, let's see, 12.49, 12.99, 13.31, just as of now, but a few hours earlier, okay, still the same thing, 12.49, 12.99, 13.31. We've seen higher prices. We can just revisit those projections again. Let's come back to the daily chart. We have here 15.63, 16.25, 18.37, 19.68. So have a look and see what you make of CRMD. Let's see how liquid this market is. Okay, well, active but not as liquid. I mean, it's a lot of stocks that are not really that liquid. Um, well, there's some liquidity might come in some other ways, but just going by the lot volumes, it's not really that encouraging as such. So yeah, one more time, just have a look and see whether this deep is what will interest you, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.